back to another NASCAR video. Today we're taking a look at the Halloween Kyle Busch. Now, I got this at Target just today, and it is a nice car, and we'll take a look at it today. So, how are we going to do this? Okay, so here's the checklist, I guess you would say. They had a kind of mix of a couple waves in here. I did see this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. This was here, this was here, and this was here. Every one of these cars except for the car here. I want the Scooby-Doo car so badly. It's really cool. It's a Coil of Joy. You can see it's an official, in essence, NASCAR product. And right it should be. So let me open it up. Crack it open and see what we've got in here. Now, I'm not a real sucker for saving boxes. I used to save boxes all the time, but I'm just gonna review him. We can take the back plastic off. So here it is. We'll lower the camera down. Yeah, we got a fridge magnet of the car. Actually, not really too bad. You can use this as a stop motion car if you don't have the actual car, or yours is broken or lost, and you somehow have the magnet still. Go ahead and use it in your stop motion. It actually looks like almost like a direct represent, like totally on there. So on the back, just the magnet color. So yeah, let's take a look at what we got. We got the 3M and the Kyle Busch, the like bat almost with the red M&M, the little gas fill. This is brand new, straight out of the box. Toyota, the M&Ms and the pumpkins. Happy Halloween! It's coming up soon, guys. Stanley. He puts a Rowdy on there. If you don't know, his energy drink company is Rowdy Busch. Or that's his Instagram, too. It's a Camry. Sometime I'll do an update on how many NASCARs I have to review left and what ones I want. Here's the bottom. Not much on the bottom. Just a serial number. Green on the bottom. I like that. Green here, green here, green here. The top doesn't look too bad. Not too many chips, actually. I've heard a lot of people don't like them because they have chips in them. And we're not seeing many here. We have the Goodyear Eagle tires on there. With the Goodyear up here. A little bit off, but we're not going to judge. It's a great car. Yeah, I do hope that you guys like my NASCAR videos. I am trying to do a little bit new content on the channel. That means the Monster Jam videos. So thank you guys all for watching and have a good day. Bye.